Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce SaaS customer churn, complete guide step by. Understanding customer churn is essential for any SaaS business. The first step is to analyze your current churn rate. Gather data over a specific time frame to establish a baseline. Identify the types of customers who tend to churn. Examine feedback and surveys to understand their reasons for leaving. Next, focus on onboarding new customers effectively. Create a seamless onboarding process that highlights key features. Provide personalized assistance to help users get started. Regularly check in with new users to ensure they find value. Implement early engagement strategies to keep users active. Send welcome emails that guide them through initial setups. Encourage active participation in forums or community discussions. Develop a robust customer support system. Ensure customers can easily access help when needed. Utilize live chat options for real-time assistance. Train your support staff to effectively handle customer concerns. Analyze customer usage patterns through data analytics. Identify features that are underutilized but provide significant value. Proactively reach out to users who may not be benefiting from these features. Regularly seek customer feedback to improve your product. Conduct surveys to gather insights on customer satisfaction. Create a feedback loop to incorporate suggestions into product updates. Monitor industry trends and competitor offerings. Stay ahead by adapting your services to meet market demands. Consider implementing loyalty programs or incentives. Reward long-term customers with discounts or exclusive features. Evaluate your pricing strategy to ensure it aligns with customer perceived value. Provide flexible payment plans to accommodate different budgets. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.